this video, we're going to assemble the farm cake topper. So I've got all my pieces laid out. My base, I have already, there's two pieces for the base. I've already glued those together and dried those under my mat so that they would be flat. You will need a skewer of some sort to use to put in for your, to attach your topper to your cake. And you'll need some foam tape. So after you have your base glued together, you want to add your grass here. And go ahead and add your tree. And if you want your windmill to rotate, I was looking to see if I had some here on hand, because I forgot to bring those with me. You'll need a brad to attach your windmill. So my windmill, I am going to just run into my closet real quick and get a brad. Just one moment. Okay. So again, you will also need a brad. I want to put this on before I put any of my other pieces on, because I want to make sure I've got things layered in the right order. So there is a hole here. And you just want to not tighten it too tight if you want it to be able to spin. Okay. All right. Now, I have assembled a few of these pieces, like I've put the trim on that already. And I think that I want to add dimension here. Let me finish up this one first. Oh, these are very gunky. having that dimension there. Oh, it's only been a few minutes, but my bottle is already clogging shut. There we go. Okay, let's put our animal heads together. So you have to put the backing on for the eyes. And you could use any of the heads from any of the farm animals to put in on this. I just picked the first 3 that I had made. The cow, the pig, and the horse. And my cow. All right. I think, so I've got my dauber over here on the side, but it sheds, and that's why I have so much ink on my, so I'm just touching the edges very lightly. And then we're just going to place our heads. Like they're sticking out of the barn. This one I'm gonna put down in here. Okay. And now, that one's gone. We're going to use our foam tape to two-fold here. We're going to use it to pop up the barn, but also to make a channel for our skewer. So I'm going to do these too high. I need one more right here. I'm going to place the second one on top of these. So that I'm up to the height of my skewer. Actually over the height, which is really what I want. I'm going to put two more here. Now you can see why I wanted to get the windmill on there first. So I'm just going to line that up. Add my flour. And put the apples in my tree. Oops. I'm not quite sure where I want that flour to go. And I'll add my apples. And then there is my farm cake topper. Thank you for joining me.